If you've watched my vitamin B1 and B2 videos, you'll know where this is going. A few months ago, I started testing vitamin B1, B2, and B12 to see if they were viable as natural insect repellents. I'd seen quite a few people say that that was their main insect repellent, but after 5 months of testing, I can assure you that none of them work as a natural insect repellent. The only effects I could see with vitamin B12 was that it made me really hungry, and unlike vitamin B1, the swelling and itching remained constant. But most importantly, the frequency at which I was bit remained the same as in my control group. As I said in my vitamin B1 video, it is dangerous and outright irresponsible to perpetuate these rumors that have no substantial evidence to back them up. With that being said, this testing really made me think about the things that I assume to be true but also hold no evidence. In my own life, there are a lot of people who make claims that I should check the sources on, but because I trust the individual, I don't really check. And even though I wasn't shown a good natural insect repellent, I was shown that I need to be much more careful with my words and not embellish stories or claims because others can just as easily do the same. Now, my point in saying all this is to inspire you to look at the claims that you hold to be true and do your own research into the claims that you believe to be true. But all that aside, vitamin B12 does not act as a natural insect repellent. But if you have any other insect repellents you'd like me to try, make sure to leave it in a comment below so I can check it out. I hope this series of videos has been relatively helpful to some people, but until I see you in the field, happy hunting!